Hello guys, how to replace the BMS if the old BMS is defective. First, we need to open the box. And then remove the screws.
Here, and here, and here. And on the front cover, there also have these. And also there are 3 screws on the side, 3 screws on this side, and there are also 3 screws on the bottom, here, and also that side.
And then we need to remove the power cables. First is the positive. First must be the positive. And then we need to remove these sensoring cables. This is step 2. Because these cables are connected with power, so we need to remove this sensoring cable. And then the third step is the negative. So this sequence must be followed. First is a positive. First positive. This flat cables, sensoring flat cables, number 2. And this negative is number 3. 1, 2, 3. After remove the positive terminal from the battery cells, from the screws, you must use this insulation tape to cover the terminals completely. This is for safety concern. This one must be covered with insulation tape. This is the voltage sensoring cable. You must take it off and the second step after the positive, because this is also connected with the cells with power. And then the 3rd step is remove the negative terminals from the battery cells. Though the BMS has no power connected right now, but it is always required by the safety standards to have these terminals covered with insulation tapes. And after all the power cables and these sensoring cables disconnected, then it is easy to remove all the rest of the BMS screws. This because there is no power connected to BMS, so the sequence to remove either which screws doesn't matter, so you can remove by your convenience which one is first. And then when you install the new BMS to the battery, first you connect the P plus and also this negative P minus and P minus first, and then with all the these cables, this communication board front cable with all the LCD screen flat cable connected, and then for the power connection, first step is the negative. First is a negative to the cells. Negative power to cells, and then second step is this voltage sensoring flat cables. This is step 2, and then the final step is this positive terminals. So the power connection sequence is negative first, voltage sensoring flat cables second, and then the positive power cables.